Hello, welcome to grade 1 CBC mathematics activities. We are still in substrand 1 number concept. Today I want us to look at lesson 4. In this lesson we are going to do comparison where we are going to look at more than. I know we have a lot to look at like more than, less than and same as, but I want us to focus with more than today. So right away let's have one example here. We are comparing the cows we are having in this side with the goats we are having in our right side. So we have this statement here, rather a question which is incomplete. The cows are dash the goats. So let's count. We are going to compare the cows and the goats. Are they more? Are they less than? Or they are equal to? So we count. How many cows do we have on this side? We have 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 cows here. What about the goats? We have 1 and 2. So the goats are 2. So when you look at the two numbers, 3 is bigger than 2. Therefore, we say the cows are more than the goats. So that is it. When you are making comparison, we count. We count the number of what we are comparing with. For example, in this case, we have cows and goats. So we are going to compare the number. And for our case, we have seen that the cows are more than the goats. Why? Because we have counted and found out that the cows are 3, while the goats on this side are 2. Therefore, they will be more than the goats. Now next, I want us to look at the other comparison. We are going to compare something else altogether. That is, we have boys and girls on this other side. But we are going, in example 2, we are going to look at less than. We are going to look at less than. Remember, in the first one, we are done with more than. Now we are at this one, less than. So in this scenario, we are having girls in this side and we are having boys on our right hand side. We are going to compare. Will they be more? Will they be less than? Or they are going to be the same as? So we are going to count. So we start with the girls. How many are they? 1, 2. So we have 2 girls here. What about the boys? We are going to count 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 boys here. So 2 is smaller than 3. Therefore, we say the girls are less than the boys. Simple as that. When you're making this comparison, you also count. So when the girls are less than the boys, then you say the girls are less than the boys. So when you are doing comparison, you literally do the counting, count and compare. So when you find out that whatever you have on this side, the number is smaller than the number we have here, therefore less than will be our answer. So right away, we are going to roll to our last example, that is same as. We are going to compare using objects, but at this time we are not looking at more than. We are done with more than, we are done with less than. Let's focus with this one here, that is same as. So it is our example 3. So we have this statement here. Again, we are going to read the pencils are dash the rubbers. So we are going to count the pencils. We have 1 pencil here and another pencil here, therefore they are 2. What about the rubbers? 1, 2. The rubbers are also 2. So this number equals this number. Therefore we use same as. So the pencils are same as the rubbers. We use this when we are having equal number of objects. When you're doing comparison and you're getting equal number of objects, then we use same as the prefix there. So the pencils are same as the rubbers. Why? Because they are equal number. We have 2 here and we have 2 on the side of the rubbers. Therefore, we say they are equal number. That is the end of our lesson today. Here we have looked at comparison, we have looked at more than, we have looked at less than, and we have looked at same as. So do more research on the same. You can compare items you have at home, items you have at school. You can compare them and see whether they will be more than, less than, or same as. Compare your books, compare your pencils, compare any other thing that you can see and see whether they are more, less, or same. So that is the end of our lesson. Remember to like this video, share, and also comment below the video. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you get tuned when we upload our next video. Thank you.